Hi guys! Welcome back to the Tomato Team with Casey Cruz, where I recycled stuff and give them second chances. For today's project, I will show you how to make a DIY hanging photo display. This time, I will use a wrapping paper tube and toilet paper tube. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this project, you will need to start this project, we'll use our toilet paper tube and turn this into flour. So to do that, we'll cut this, center and flatten the tube. Okay. And then using your other toilet paper tube, we'll make a circle here. And then we'll add some petals. So to make that, I will divide this into half. So I will have 3 petals here and 3 petals on the bottom. So I'll just draw a curve like this. And then the other side. Do the same thing on the bottom. You can start in the middle. Make a curve. So you can use this also as your guide for the rest. So after that, we cut it. Once you're done with the first one, you can use this to do it for the other. So once we're done, we will get another one of the toilet paper. And then we will cut this into 4 centimeter by 5.5 centimeter. So 4 centimeter. Cut it. And then this one will be 5.5. Here, sorry. So we will make the extra, we'll cut this into half. We'll make extra petals for it. So this will look like, this will be the base, and then we'll add 3 more petals on the top, and then the center for 2. So there will be 3 around and 2 in the middle. So to make those petals, we'll just cut our toilet paper tube into this size, and then make a petal shape like this. So we'll make 3 of this. So now we have 3. Now for the inner petal of the flower, we will make 2. So I'll get another one of my toilet paper. Just use the other petal as the guide, and then cut it. So now we have it 3 and then 2. Now these 2 will be in the center, and we need to make it into smaller or shorter size. So I'll just cut it into this size. Okay. Now to make the flower, we need to have this. So let's start. First, we cut in any of in between of the petals. We cut it until the center, and then we fold it and stick this one with a hot glue. So using my hot glue, I will add glue there and stick it like this. Then we bend the petals like this. You can also curve it if you want, so it will look more 3D. Okay, so now we have this dent here. So we will use our 3 petals to put in there. So to put it, we need to bend this one in this side and then this one in the front. So this will we put the glue and stick it here. Okay, so it will look like this. So we'll do it in those 3 petals. Okay, so now they are all, and then we will stick it here using our hot glue again, and then the other one in this side, and then the other one here. So it will look like this. For the center, these 2 small petals will be on the center. So for this one, we will roll this petal, and then this one we will wrap it around, so it will be like this. This will be the center. So I'll just add some hot glue here. Okay, then this will be in the center here. So once it's dry, I'll add some hot glue in the center and stick this. Wait for it to dry, and there you have it. You have your flower. So we'll make more of this. So once you're done with your first one, you can repeat this and make as many as you want. So if you want 5, 6 or more, it's fine. So let's do it. Now once all your flowers are stick on the tube and dry, we will paint it with black acrylic paint. So your paint and your brush, and we will paint everything in black. After we finish painting, we let this dry. Once our base for our photo hanging display is fully painted. Actually, it's not fully painted. There's still a little bit. But if you want it fast, you can use spray paint. But this time I didn't use it because I don't want to go outside and do the spray painting. So I just paint it. But actually, I really like how it turned out. You can still see some cardboard. It looks like, you know, those rustic bronze metal that you've seen in like vintage shops. I feel like it looks like that. So let's go to the next part. We are going to cut our twine into 60 centimeter. This will be where our photo displayed. So I'll cut maybe 7 of this one. So we got 7 of this twine, and we will tie it here. We'll find a place where we can, you know, put and tie the string. So now we're done. We have already the strings placed. Then we'll add some of our paper clip. So this will be where we will flip and put the photos. And cut it. Tie a loop. And you can add your Instax pictures if you have, or if you have photos with you, you can add them. Just clip it here on the paper clip. You just need to hang it. You can add your pictures, and there you have it. You have your DIY hanging photo display. I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you want more projects like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification button for more DIY projects. Remember guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. See you next week. Bye-bye!